Hello, here we are again at the Multitec stand at Printpack, and I'm with Ashima Ahuja, who's one of the owners of the Multitec company. And Ashima looks after various functions in the infrastructure of the company.
Yes.
And Ashima, tell us a little bit about how you have built the new factory in Faridabad, how you have populated it, how you have enabled the infrastructure for modern engineering and manufacturing. What have you done for that?
So my particular pursuit is to always increase my capacity year on year. And right now we are at 350,000 square feet area. And we just recently had 20,000 square feet more of a shed and increasing our operational facility. Every year we increase our plant and machinery. By plant and machinery, I mean the machine shop in terms of state-of-the-art CNC machines. And I prioritize sustainability a lot. We are recently increasing our solar plant from 350 kilowatt to 500 kilowatt.
Okay.
And that'll get operational by the 1st of March.
Excellent.
And I'm also in the process of acquiring more land. We are at the moment, I don't know how to quantify 7-acre factory for our international customers, but that's a huge land parcel.
But you already had a huge plot of land.
Yeah.
When I visited, there was a whole space in the back.
I just bought another acre to include more because I have a long-term plan for the next 20 years.
Wow.
So that's what we are doing. And my contribution to Multitec is to give it the wings to be the global leader in packaging.
Great. Fantastic to hear that there is a real builder.
Yeah, I'm Bob, the builder of Multitec.
Great. Thank you.